How to create chat folders on Telegram. Hello guys and welcome back. In this tutorial I'm going to show you how you can create chat folders on Telegram. So let's get started. First of all, you need to open your Telegram application. You will be redirected to the chat, so here click on settings at the bottom and then scroll down till you find the option chat folders. So just click on chat folders, and over here now you have to click on create a folder. So here write down name of the folder. You can write anything. For example, if I write home, and then click on included chats. So you can include all the chats like contacts, non-contacts, groups, channels, bots, Telegram, etc., anything. And then you can just click on done. And over here you can exclude chats. So you can either choose chats or types of chats that will be appear in the folder, or you can exclude the chats. So you can just click on exclude chats, the chats you wish to exclude, and then click on done. And then you can select the folder color, that what color you wish your folder to be. You can select any of it, and then after that you can create an invite link to the folder and send it to your friends so that they can join the folder. So that's pretty easy, and then you can click on create and your folder would be created. That was how you can create chat folder on Telegram. So if you found this tutorial helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tutorials in future. See you in the next video.